planning a move in Pasquotank County, North Carolina. Whether it's Elizabeth City or nearby towns, moving can feel overwhelming. But with the right approach, it can be smooth and stress-free. Hi, this is 3 Movers, and today we're sharing quick tips for a seamless move in Pasquotank County. Booking your move in advance is essential. Pasquotank County has busy streets and limited parking in some areas, so scheduling trucks and crews early ensures your move goes smoothly without last-minute stress. Use sturdy boxes, bubble wrap, and moving blankets, especially for fragile items. Clearly label each box by room. Organized packing protects your belongings and makes unpacking much easier. Professional movers save time and reduce stress. They know how to handle heavy furniture, navigate driveways and stairs, and ensure your items arrive safely, making your move faster and worry-free. Moving in Pasquotank County doesn't have to be stressful. With careful planning, smart packing, and professional movers, your relocation can be smooth and worry-free. Visit 3movers.com/north-carolina/Pasquotank-county/ for a free estimate and let experienced movers handle the heavy lifting.